So in this video, we are going to change the look and feel of our admin panel without much code. So if I actually go into my admin panel right now, so if I just see the admin panel, so this is the default which is provided by Django, and I can make some improvements to it. So if I go into Google and just type for Django greply, so I just land on the site and it is telling me all the installation steps. So if I click on installations, so the first thing I need to do is pip install Django greply. So in my project, I have already installed this Django greply. So I'm not going to do that, but you can easily do this pip install and this Django greply will be installed. After that, I need to include it in my installed apps. So I will go back in my settings file, and in the install apps at the start, I will just add that greply like that. Now, apart from this, if I go back, now I have to add the URLs of this all the URLs which corresponds to this greply. So if I go back in my root URL file, above the admin, I can add the all the URLs of this greply related URLs. Now the final step which I need to do is add this particular context processor in the list of context processors. So if I go back to the settings and in the template section, I have this context processor. So at the end, I can just add this context processor, which is related to the request. So with that, all the steps are done. Now I need to do another step. So if I just close this and do a CLS, so I need to do Python manage.py and I have to do collect static like that. So this will copy all the files which are related to greply into my static folders. So it will ask me for confirmation if any files. In my case, the files were already copied, so no files were copied. But in case it is not there, then it will be copied. So if I go back now and first let me just run the project. So after all the settings have been put, the server has to be restarted. So after that I've run, and if I go back and I refresh my admin panel, so here I will see all the look and feel of the admin panel has been changed, and this provides a very easy manner for me to change the entire look and feel from the default one provided by Django.